Hello everybody, how it's going? Today I'll be teaching you how to make an anonymous Snapchat account. The first thing you need to do is to make sure your Snapchat app on your cell phone was updated, okay? And it's important to say that works for any device you have, your iPhone or on your Android, so don't worry about that. Right here inside of your Snapchat, to create an anonymous account, it's simple, okay? You just log out from your main account and go to the section to create a new account, okay? And basically, to create an anonymous account, you have to create an account without any information about you, okay? That's the only way to create an anonymous Snapchat account. You create a new account, and in the creation of that account, you put any information about you. That's the only way to create an anonymous Snapchat account because the Snapchat don't have any official feature to allow you to create an anonymous account, okay? I hope I can help with that information. If you like it, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button. See ya!